Welcome back to our video series on creating tests in Ultra courses. This video will cover essay questions. Let's do it. So essay questions are used when you need any sort of answer that's longer than maybe 1 or 2 words. And Blackboard can't grade these. You're going to have to grade these yourself. We'll cover that in the grading tests video. Now, we're just going to go where we'd like it to go. So hover our mouse over where we want it to go and click the plus sign. And we're going to go to Add Essay Question. These are really simple. We just type in the question. And if we want, we can put an example of a correct response. So this isn't used for grading or anything like that, but what it is used if you choose to show the correct answers to students, they'll be able to see it. Type our correct response in there. And if you want to change how many points your essay question is worth, you click here on the points box and you can enter however many you want it to be. Once we've got it the way we want it, just click save, and that's all there is to it. If you want to use other question types on your test, watch those videos in our playlist, and if you'd like to keep making your test, you can watch the settings video. Thanks for watching.